Beautiful day here in Northern Ontario. Give you guys a little tour of the snowy property. There's the cookhouse. Got the little roof there shoveled off today. Trail cut through to the back of the house. Down to the bridge. Call this the Brule Bridge after our neighbor, Fern Brule. He's 85 years old and he comes over every day to visit my wife and have coffee. And the bunkie, we'll get that finished up this spring, make it usable for the summer. And there's the rest of the trail to the Brule residence. Greenhouse and the garage in the background there. Driveway back to the garage. Woodshed. Long driveway. Trail cut out to the camper. I'm gonna build another bunkie here. Maybe this year. We'll start it later in the summer once we get the other one done. And the back side of the cookhouse. Just a lot of snow. Lots of work. But we love it.